Guard your Florida home against moisture damage. Warning signs and prevention tips. Florida's warm, humid climate can create the ideal conditions for moisture-related damage, including mold, wood rot, and structural concerns. Watch for warning signs like musty odors, peeling paint, water stains, or sagging floors. To prevent these issues, keep your roof in good condition, clear gutters regularly, seal window leaks, and use dehumidifiers. Ensure proper drainage around your property and schedule regular inspections to identify hidden problems early. Don't let minor issues escalate into costly repairs. Book your home inspection today to safeguard your home from Florida's moisture hazards.